Yeah, YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. 2008 Moments and Milestones brought to you by Topps, your card professionals. Anyway, 2 autographs per box and a sticker. Sticker Mojo. That's going to go on my car as a bumper sticker, just saying. Sticker Mojo, gonna go on as a bumper sticker. But let me try to get all these packs out here. A lot of them are numbered. I'm not gonna go through all the serial numbered cards. I will go through them if they're under like 100, I'd say, because I think every card in this set is numbered. So numbered out of 25 for the Astros, Hunter Pence. I think in every pack you get a card numbered to 25. Not positive on that, but I have a 2009 Honda Accord. Numbered at a 25, Troy Tulowitzki for the Rockies. I used to have a 2007 Mazda. A blue, numbered 1 out of 10 of Derek Lee for the Cubs. And just so you guys know, excuse me, I did not buy it myself, unfortunately, no. Just so you guys know, there is probably a one of one in here base. I think there's 1 per box. Am I wrong on that? I feel like there's one of one per box. Numbered at a 25, Robinson Cano. It's not true? Okay. I lied. Not true. Last box I did, which was the only box I've ever done, we had a 1 of 1 of Jake Peavy. Numbered out of 25 for the Braves, Gary Sheffield. Damn, Mella. Mella's a high roller over there. We've hit the auto here. I did not see what it is, but let me do a slide on blog. Why don't I? I saw there was on auto. Good luck. And for the Marlins, nice. For the Marlins, a Miguel Cabrera autograph. Very nice. I'm digging it. Miguel Cabrera for the Marlins. Sick. Very, very nice. And numbered out of 25, 20 out of 25, Greg Maddux for the Braves. Cool looking auto there. Miguel Cabrera. A blue numbered out of 10 of Greg Maddux. We just pulled his numbered out of 25. There's his blue. So one more autograph we're looking for. Numbered out of 25, Vladimir Guerrero for the Angels. Oh shit. 95 station wagon for the win. Let's see. Numbered out of 25 for the Orioles. Tejada they come, Tejada they fall. Miguel Tejada. Alright, second stack of cards here. Come on, 1 of 1. Numbered out of 25, Miguel Cabrera for the Marlins. And also numbered out of 10 for the Yankees. Oh, no, actually it's Rangers. He's in the Rangers here. Mark Teixeira. Teixeira, who's been doing awesome. At a 25, CC Sabathia for the Indians. One more auto we're looking for. At a 25 for the Mariners, Ichiro Suzuki. Out of 25 for the Mariners. Again, Alex Rodriguez. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5 packs left. 5 packs, 1 auto left, hoping for a 1 of 1. You never know. And this will be an autograph. It's an autograph. Good luck. And who is it? It is Rich Thompson. 2008 rookie auto for the Angels. Nice looking auto there, too. He has a sweet autograph. But Rich Thompson and a blue numbered out of 10 of Robbie Cano. 4 packs left. Let's hope for a red. We got both hits in this. A black out of 25 of Manny being Manny Ramirez. Out of 25, Brad Hawp for the Rockies. 2 packs left. Anyone think we're hitting the red? Who thinks we hit a 1 of 1? Everyone said no last time, and we got a hit last time. We got that extra hit. Trevor Hoffman out of 10 for the Padres, and 1 pack left. 1 pack. There it is. And no red. Two cards numbered out of 25, though. Pedro Martinez for the Red Sox out of 25, and a Trevor Hoffman for the Padres out of 25. So, not bad box. 1 really nice autograph. 1, not so good autograph, but still solid overall. We'll be back. GSN Cards is out.